The holidays are supposed to be a lovely, relaxing time to be with family, but between the running around and all these other things that seem to pop up around the holidays, including financial issues, health issues, all these kind of things, it's not as peaceful as we would like it to be. But these things are in your control. You cannot control what happens out there. What you can control is what happens in here and in here. And so and in your whole body. So that's where the yoga and these practices can really come in. So we're going to start off with a HeartMath practice. And what I'd like for you to do, and if you have a piece of paper nearby, you could write it down, but if not, I want you to think about what is really stressing you out right now. So put it right in front of you. We think that if we don't think about it, it diminishes or goes away. But if we face it and then just say, okay, here it is, right there in front of me, and then we refrain or we ask for our heart's wisdom or intelligence in it, it diminishes it much more than just ignoring it and just letting it like do this in the back of your head constantly. So take a minute and do that. So once you have this topic, and don't pick everything, it's like everything, just pick one thing. So now the next thing I want you to do is we're going to try to get to either a different viewpoint on it or at a minimum to neutral on whatever this issue is. So that's the aim today, to either get to an opposite view of it instead of it being a stress. It could be a gift or, but if you can't get that far, at least get to neutral. Okay, so sit comfortably and just slow your breathing down to a comfortable pace. Eyes can be opened or closed. And then direct your breath to your heart center, the chest area. Sometimes it helps to place the hands there. So to warm our heart up, activate some sort of uplifting feeling, not about the issue, just about anything. Whether it's just feeling the warmth of the sunshine or your favorite pet or memory. Something easy, something that you can visualize and go to right then and there. So now the point is to either see if you can come to neutral on the issue that is stressing you. What does neutral feel like? Or see if you can come to a completely opposite perspective on the issue you're facing. And just see what comes up. This is asking your heart to weigh in. For me, the word that's popped up is patience. something else might have popped up for you. And then make a sincere commitment to remember anytime you get into this stress cycle about this issue, what your reframing was, whether it was just neutral or some way to reframe. And you can return to this. How long did that take us? 2 minutes. If you have to return to it once an hour during the holiday, take 2 minutes for yourself once an hour during the holiday. Or how often you need it. It's really simple, but it's really, really effective.